All right. Court is calling 2026 CR 005972 State versus Danza Dewan Sansom III. Could I have parties announced?
Ready for the state? And Richard Garcia for the defense.
And are you Mr. Sansom? All right, it's my understanding, Mr. Sansom, you actually filed a motion for a bond reduction and your attorney is adopting your motion. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So what is the bond currently set at?
Lee said it on 125,000 for each case, Judge.
All right, you say each case, is there another case?
Lee,
No, when's
two cases may have. Okay, my apologies, Judge. It is 125,000 for one.
All right, and what is his criminal history?
Other than that,
All right, any violent criminal history? Yeah. And I'll take your case up in just 2 minutes, yes. All right, defense, any witnesses while the state looks for that?
Yes, Your Honor. Janisha Johnson is supposed to be on Zoom. I
I don't have her on Zoom.
let me.
Do
She
you want
was
to
here
step
at-
back and call her?
She was here at 9 o'clock.
She's not on Zoom.
Let me. And then I can call Danza first.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. Make sure you keep your voice up so I can hear and the court reporter can hear. All right, if you'll state your name for the record. All right, you may proceed, counsel.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Sansom, you're here asking for a bond reduction. Can you tell the judge how much you are seeking the bond to be reduced?
He's asking, can it be reduced somewhere around 75,000?
And why is that?
Because I found the bond in that said it will take around 2,500 the down payments, and then I'll be able to make payments when my brother get it. I'm gonna work with my brother out of it.
And if the judge lowers your bond to 75,000 and you do bond out, where are you going to live?
I'm gonna live with my older brothers in their apartment.
And where do they live? And how old are your brothers?
One's 23 and the other's 22, I believe.
And they are listed on the lease?
Yes, sir.
And are you able to live with them if you get out?
Yes, sir.
And do you know the name of the bonds company?
It's the AA's best bail bond for the AA bondsman.
And you're aware that most bail bondsmen charge 10% of the bond, so that would be 7,500.
Yes, ma'am. I mean, yes, sir. And I'm gonna make the payments quarterly whenever I get out to pay it out.
And how much are the payments?
They told me somewhere around 300 a month.
And do you have a job?
My older brother is he's the manager at AutoZone. He's gonna let me work with him. He's gonna give me an interview, so I should have a job coming up. My girlfriend, my fiance has a job. She said she'll be able to help me out with payments too.
And your fiance is, what's her name?
Janisha
Janisha, and her last name?
Johnson.
And do you have a child with Janisha?
Yes, sir.
And how old is your child?
Gonna be 3 in October.
And why do you want the judge to lower your bond?
So I can just spend a little time with him and I can just get back out there and just get back and helping out and being a good father.
And you realize that you're here on an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, which it's alleged that you shot 2 people. What do you want to tell the judge to convince the judge that you're not a risk to society?
I can assure you in the court, if you consider dropping it, that I won't be a risk and I'll stay away from all firearms and You won't hear from me for any type of bad level again.
And if the judge orders you to have a monitor, a GPS monitor, and orders house arrest, will you comply with the conditions of house arrest?
Yes, sir.
So how would you work if you were on house arrest?
Because to my knowledge that I can get it approved by the, I can get it approved by the PR people or whatever the monitor people are. I can get it approved so I can work.
So you would ask for a partial monitor, partial GPS monitor,
Yes,
so you could go to work.
All right, we're back on the record in 2026 CR 005972, State versus Danza Sampson. All right, the person who is by Zoom, if you could unmute, please, and start your video.
Okay, hello? Hi.
Hi, we can't see your face.
Oh, my face has to be in the camera?
Yes, it does.
Okay. Hi.
Hi, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Janisha Johnson.
All right, defense, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Johnson, we're here asking the judge to reduce Danza's bond from 125,000 to 75,000. Have you contacted a bonds company?
Yes, sir.
And can you tell the court which bond company you've contacted?
A Bells Bonds, man, I think that's the one. Yes.
And when you spoke with them, what was the agreement that you came up with?
They came to agreement with putting $3,000 down, and then the rest we can do a payment plan.
And do you have $3,000?
Yes, we do.
And if the judge grants the bond reduction and Danza gets out, where is he going to live?
I believe he's gonna be with his brothers or with me.
And do you have a child with Danza?
Yes, I do.
How old is the child?
2 years old.
And if the judge orders the bond reduction and Danza goes to live with you or with your brothers, how can you reassure the court that he is not going to be a flight risk or a danger to society?
I'll just make sure he's just staying in the house and going to work. We have a job set up for him. And my sister's a manager at the job, so we just make sure he's just at home or work. That's it.
And where is the job?
AutoZone?
AutoZone.
Yes.
Thank you. I'll pass the witness.
Any questions?
A
State.
few quick questions. So you said, who's the manager at AutoZone that's offering
My sister?
your sister?
Yes.
Would it surprise you to know that there was testimony that the brother was who's the manager at AutoZone?
My sister?
Is there a job available?
Yes, there is.
Okay. Pass the witness, Judge.
Any other questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, is this witness excused?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you for coming in.
Thank you.
All right, the court will hear brief argument. The court has had a chance to review State's Exhibit number 1.
Judge, stay over
There.
here.
No, it's defense's motion.
So Judge, we're asking that you reduce the bond to 75,000. Danza, 19-year-old, is only criminal record is a failure to ID when he was 17 years old. He doesn't have the economic ability to pay $125,000. But he does have the ability to pay 75,000. We believe that 125,000 is egregious and not a fair and reasonable bond. Mr. Sampson Danza is willing to be on house arrest or partial house arrest, whatever the court deems. He does have this child that he's concerned about that needs a parent and needs the financial security to help raise his child. And as you heard from
All right, just 1 second. Let's go off the record for a moment.
our judge, the trial started in April and it's recommencing tomorrow. So
Oh,
I
well.
know it's going tomorrow.
Well, we will see. And then with regards to the bond, the court will set the bond at $75,000. There's to be full GPS waive fees.
Thank you, Judge.
I don't know. You want to say something?
No, Judge, he does not want to say anything.
All right, Norma, give him a reset form for jury trial tomorrow.